Hey guys, Tim here with Parts and Recreation. We gonna work on the buggy, try to get all the old stuff out of it, get all the old wiring, get it all back up to par again. If you want to come look at the damage, this is what we got going on. We have melted seats. We kind of seen that, right? And we have melted battery, along with the melted fan for the radiator. We got melted tire, all the wiring. We got so much we gotta pull out of here. We're gonna pull all this out, get everything taken out. But I mean, it's pretty minimal for what could have happened. We could have, somebody could have got hurt, or thing could have exploded. It's a full gas tank. Thank God nobody did get hurt, but yeah, I mean, for what happened, it is pretty minimal. I already got some seats. We got a metal gas tank for it. And we got a tire at the house for it. So hopefully by next week we'll have this thing up and running again. And out ripping again, having fun. So if you want to follow and subscribe and watch us put this thing back together, that's awesome. Thank you. But yeah, should be pretty fun. Next, we're gonna mount this battery box. He's working on it right now. Missed the spot. I'm just walking away.
You can't film the opening of this box.
And we'll be able to see it from here.
You think that's fine?
That's a better angle.
Huh? Or I could do that.
What are you talking about?
I'm just seeing where to go.
That looks pretty good. I mean, I'd go a little farther back. Just get the box lid just to open straight up and down.
Huh?
If you just get the box lid just to completely like 90 degree up and down.
That was 90 degree up.
Yeah, a little more. You can go back. It's a little more 90.
Oh, well, I'm stuck on this bar here.
Oh, I got a bar on the other side.
Unless I cut that tab off.
You need it? It's for the safety belts.
We can do something else.
What is going on? Please don't know. Yeah, you can cut like this right there. That's what I tried doing.
Yep. We don't need you.
Don't need it.
Get out of my way.
How to do this.
All right, so looks like he's got the box in. We got our seats just got here. It's late as hell out here, but we're trying to get this buggy built. I mean, there's a lot to do, but we got her. I mean, it's there. So hopefully this weekend we'll be ripping. But here's the seats. Got actual nice bucket racing seats. Thank you for this one guy. Got them for pretty cheap, so that was nice. But as for the buggy, I'm gonna check the box out. Probably can't see. Should look inside there. We got some dirty pics in there, but we got a nice box, all welded up. So now we should be able to store a battery in here and not worry about that catching on fire anymore. So that's another good fire safety precaution we did there. Like I said, we got the gas tank, so that should be a lot better. Here we go, firing her up.
Yeah. Sorry for running somebody over.
Fire her up after the fire. Sounds like a scream, baby. Oh yeah, she's back. She's back alive again.
She's back. She's bad to the bones. You better watch out. You know, if the fan ain't going nowhere with that many zip ties, it must make sure the battery's not going to go anywhere either.
Nothing's going anywhere.
Yeah, that's probably good.
Like I said, I had to pull that petcock off like 5 times, I think. You ain't got much gas in this bitch either, though. Oh, you got a quarter tank. All right.
Test out the Milwaukee.
All right. Shut her down before you break her.
They seem like, I don't know, I'm just digging with the tires, huh?
They're definitely going to help you go faster, too.
So, only one thing left to do.
Turn the fan off.
Top speed run.
Take it to the club.
Turn the fan off.
Go ride.
We need lights!
She's back.
I gotta turn my Jeep around.